Hey guys, I'm here today to show you a little Mario ripoff, some music that I've created following a really cool tutorial by 8-Bit Theory, which is an excellent YouTube channel. Nathan, our IT guy, thank you for showing me this excellent channel. You should check that out. It analyzes computer game music using music theory and gives you some great ideas for how you can actually create your own sort of simple yet kind of catchy hooks and use the devices used by some quite ingenious game music composers. So I followed what they talked about in the Mario video, which I'll link below, talking about using chord tones, using syncopation and catchy rhythms, and then starting to use some chromatic approach tones, and yeah, pretty much that's my step-by-step procedure for how I whipped up this little Mario. You can tell it's very much derived from the sound of Mario. It uses pretty much crotchets, quavers and triplets, crotchet triplets, or if you're in America that would be quarter notes and eighth notes plus a few quarter note triplets, very much the way the Mario theme does. So have a listen, here's my little creation, and I'd suggest you could sort of follow a similar approach and come up with your own Mario ripoff, because as they say, you know, start off by imitating the masters. Imitate, integrate and then innovate. So you imitate the masters, integrate it into your own style, and then hopefully you better innovate and come up with something really original later in your music career. But certainly in the early days, just imitate the masters and see what they're doing. So good luck with that, and I hope you enjoy my little creation.